beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh.
So in today's video I'm going to share this look. This is a easy wedding guest look and this is so glamorous and easy to do at home by your own. So stay connected till the end to know this makeup. And one thing I want to add here that I missed the clip of putting foundation and basic eyeshadow color on my eyes. So I'm starting my makeup after that and putting my concealer under my eyes. So this is a concealer from NYX. So yeah, this is the eye makeup. I have put just basic colors. The transition shade is blue and the rest of the eyeshadow color is pink. So this is very simple. You can put it by your own. So I'm doing now setting this concealer with my compact. This is from Lakme. So after setting my makeup with this compact, I'm going to use my eyeliner, and this is a magnetized eyeliner from Faces Canada. So I'm just drawing my eyeliner and I am just drawing a short kind of, or you can say a small kind of wing kind of eyeliner. So after the eyeliner, I'm using my favorite waterproof mascara from Wet n Wild for both of my eyelashes. This is a Volume Express mascara and this is really very good for this monsoon and summer season because this is waterproof and looks so beautiful after applying it. So after that, I'm using same blue and pink color for my lower lash lines so that my eye look will be kind of completed after that. So done with that, now I'm using my eyebrow pencil for filling my eyebrows, and after filling my eyebrows I'm just grooming them so that they will look so clear, neat and sharp and will also enhance the look of my eyes. And after that, I'm doing a bit of contouring. Here I'm using the powder contouring and I'm using for my jawline and my cheekbones, and I'll also do it for my nose so that my nose will look a little bit smaller and sharper. And so after that, I'm using my blush, and I'm using this blush from my eyeshadow palette. I'm using the dark red color in a light shade for my blush, and I'm also doing it over my nose so that it will look cute and beautiful. And now here comes the burst of makeup, and this is an highlighter. I just love using highlighter. This is from Maybelline highlighter, and I'm just using this highlighter over my highlighting points, my cheekbones and my chin, my nose, my upper lip and on my forehead. I am just highlighting all these points so that my face will look fresh and glowy and beautiful. And after that, I'm using this pink lipstick from Faces Canada to just completing my look for my this makeup. So yeah, all done and just finishing this look with putting some eyelashes from PAC, and I just love these eyelashes. These are so soft and looking elegant.
A few moments later.
So yeah, this is the final look. Added some jewelry of golden kind of and put on some bangles matching with my dress, and using some golden bangles also to match with my rest of the jewelry. And yeah, that's it.
Like this video. As I told you, this makeup is very easy and equally so beautiful and so glamorous. So if you like this video, and then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel so that we can stay connected for a longer time, and also press the bell icon so that you will get my new video every time whenever I post it. And now I will see you in my next video with some beautiful and also a glamorous video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.